I don't know about you, but everyone I know has an Instagram account. Its purpose is to entertain, and man, it is not only entertaining, but it can also be addicting to watch the reels and keeping up to date with everyone's lives. But I am here to tell you that you can also make money from it. How great is that? You can turn your hobby or what you do to de-stress into a money maker. Yes, it's absolutely free and effortless. You can earn money from utilizing other people's Instagram account. Later on, I will show you a way to make money just by visiting and interacting with other people's Instagram. So you can help them grow their accounts and you can get paid. Hello and welcome to the Money Kings, where we provide new videos about how to make the most money from your phone or laptop in the comfort of your home. Make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell so you will never miss out on any tips or tricks we have to show you about all the awesome and legit ways to make money online. In this video, I will show you how to earn money by following people and liking posts on Instagram, which is probably what most people spend their time with, except that you can make money from it. So you won't have to worry about putting up with a job you detest or working either to your employer or supervisor. Additionally, everything is really simple, so anyone can do it and you'll be learning a lot. You'll quickly just make money while having fun scrolling on Instagram. Instead of simply just double tapping photos on Instagram and wasting your time, you will be making extra money to travel or get something you have been saving up for. This strategy I'm about to share with you is available for you to make money anywhere in the world. With just a smartphone or a computer with a good internet connection, you can definitely do it. Pay great attention to what I say as I'll guide you through this procedure step by step. To ensure you don't miss a crucial step, follow along with the video as carefully as you can. You will just have to visit others' Instagram and receive rewards on the website. How easy is that? The website we will be working with is called addmefast.com. Now, if you open this website, you'll read AddMeFast is a network that will help you grow your social presence. Now, I am just letting you know that I already made a video about this website in an earlier video, and I explained there how you can make money by watching TikTok or YouTube videos. So now I will tell you how you can earn money by interacting with others' Instagram accounts. This video is basically just like that video. But if you haven't seen that one yet, then I will explain to you again in this video about addmefast.com, so stay tuned. So what addmefast.com does is they are a social media marketing platform. It means that they help people grow their social media. They help them increase in their followers, likes, views, or shares, and more. And they have lots of available social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, YouTube, Reddit, TikTok, even SoundCloud, and more. For example, addmefast.com will help people who want to grow their Instagram by increasing their followers, views, and likes by paying other people to follow their account. There are other social media available like in the last video, which is TikTok or YouTube. But today we will focus on Instagram. Luckily, they also have a lot of payment methods that you can use like credit cards, crypto payments, mobile, e-wallets, and more. You can just choose what is the most convenient for you. And there is also a new payment method called AMF tokens, which I will discuss later. Now, to get started, you will have to go to the upper right corner of the screen and click the green register button. Fill in your information and they will send you a confirmation email. Once you have done this, you can go back to the website and and log into your new account. This website has a cool referral program. If you refer someone to their website and they sign up, you can earn 300 points or 250 AMF tokens for each person you refer. Also, as another bonus, if you are active on the website, you can get an extra 400 points every day. So you definitely will want to log on every single day. Now, if you go to the left side of this page and look over the free points, you will find all the ways you can earn points. So as you can see, there are literally tons of ways that you can earn points. So for instance, click on the Instagram likes. Now, you will wait for a few seconds. You will see a TikTok that you will just have to click, and they will instruct you to wait for 2 to 3 seconds after liking the post before closing the pop-up page. See how easy it is to earn points. And of course, these points will turn into money for you. Now, doing this has a smaller earning rate. So if you want to check out other ways to earn free points, for example, if you would click on Instagram followers, you can earn more than just liking posts. You can earn more than 10 points by following their Instagram, in addition to liking their post and earning points from that. Just like in my last video wherein I explained it earlier, look around the website and see what you would like to do to earn points. And again, later, you will exchange these points for real money. There is a threshold for this website, but you will see that the points will add up really quickly. Now, like I told you earlier, there is something called AMF tokens or Add Me Fast tokens here. AMF token is their own coin or cryptocurrency, and you can exchange your points with an AMF token, but there is something you need to do first. You need a crypto wallet that is available with Trust Wallet or MetaMask. Then you will submit your valid BSC address to them. Now, if you will earn AMF tokens at addmefast.com, you will receive it in your wallet. So it is an effortless way to earn money just by following someone on social media like Instagram. Now, if you are earning just this site, then let me know in the comments. All right, and that is it for today. Make sure you like this video if it gave you a new way to earn a little extra cash. Subscribe to Money Kings and we will keep you updated on the easiest way to earn money online from the comfort of your home, on the side, or for a little bit of fun money. Don't forget to click the notification bell as well so you can be the first to know. And thank you for watching, and we will see you next time.